Okay, I'm back. So now I have the PC installed. I have that metal box with the Arduino in it. There's that big connector. Hold on. There's that big connector that goes to the controller in the back. Here's the USB from the PC. There's a power plug, video, keyboard, mouse. It's all plugged in the back. So that's the box and the controller. Let me see if I can turn this on. Put that power strip on. Hopefully the PC's gonna come on. Okay, PC's coming on. Then I hit this button here, and that turns power on to the box. And then these lights tell me that I got my voltages, and that my probe has been. This is my emergency stop right here. This is for a touch probe. This is my X, Y, and Z switches. So if for some reason he hits a switch, you see the light goes out, lets me know what switch was hit. Then these are relays I have set up. One turns the laser on, one turns the spindle on, and stuff like that. So now that it's running, PC's booting up. I'm gonna try and bring this guy to life. Hold on a second. Reach this. Okay, and then I use this software. Now this software is free. This software right here. It's a little slow. PC is not the fastest thing in the world, but you know what? It does the job, and it was cheap, and it fits in the box. The other PC I had was full of sawdust, and it wasn't going to last very long. So now once this is connected, I tell it that, I say go ahead and search for what's on there, and I know it's COM5, and that's where the Arduino is, and that's the software I'm running. It's called Gerbil, GRBL, and I'm going to say connect. And now when I say connect, it's saying down there it's connecting. It's not done yet. Okay, and there you go. So now I can go ahead and unlock this guy. And if I want to, I have one of these Xbox controllers, and I have it plugged into the my PC. So now if I hit this button on the Xbox and I get it out of emergency stop, now I got my emergency stop light down there, and I press these buttons, there you go. The unit's moving. Move it over, move it down, backwards. So there you go. There's the motors making it move forward and backward. The motor making it go sideways, and the other motor making it go up and down. Excuse me, up and down. So you can see that guy spinning, and he's just making this guy ride down on a rail. Same thing over here. When this guy's spinning, he's turning that screw, and that's making this guy come that way. So all that program does now over here is I will go ahead and load up, let's say, these things I'm carving here, and I press OK, and give it a second here or two or 12. Oh, wrong one. Let me get a better one. Makes more sense. Let's go with this guy. And now these are the coasters that I was cutting out that you saw in the other video. So now when the machine runs, it follows these paths, and I was making 5 coasters at a time last time. These are the numbers where it's all positioned at. Now one of the things you want to do when you first turn this on is actually have nothing on the table. You know what? Let me clean this up, and I'll show you some more.